We are at Gordon Falls Reserve in Leura. Last time I was here, several months ago, this track was closed. It's been very wet since then, so I can suppose they've done a fair bit of work on the tracks. Anyhow, downhill we go to the Pool of Siloam. These are all new steps. There are the old ones, and it's a bit drier than the first section. We are just above the Pool of Siloam. The track will get wetter from here down, I'm sure. This area used to be a place where you always got wet from drips. However, they seem to have prevented that now, somehow. This is the track junction, left going to Lyrebird Dell and right going down to the Pool of Siloam. The Pool of Siloam is more recognisable now than it was for a long time. It's no longer completely filled up with sand. And the creek heads down that way to Gordon Falls. No foot track though.